Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Dove here with the last reception maths video of this week. Well, today I've got a helper. Would you like to meet who's come along to help join in with my video today? Okay, here he is. Hello, this is Dudley. Now some of you might recognise Dudley because Dudley was for sale in my toy shop. Now, Dudley really loves maths, but there's one thing that he absolutely loves. So when he heard what we were doing today, he really wanted to come along. And that's because Dudley loves doubling. Now, the first thing we need to do is remind ourselves what doubling actually means.
Look at the picture on the left-hand side and you will see that it's a game of tennis. It's a game of tennis called singles, where there is just one person playing on each side of the net. If you look at the picture on the right-hand side, that is another game of tennis, but it's called doubles. Can you work out why it's called doubles? That's right, it's because there's twice as many people playing. Instead of one person playing on each side of the net, there's twice as many. There's two people playing on each side of the net. Here's some pictures of buses. On the left-hand side, there's a single-decker bus with just one level. On the right-hand side, there's a different kind of bus. You know what that bus is called, don't you? That's right, it's a double-decker bus. Now, tell your grown-up why you think it's called a double-decker bus. Yes, that's right. It's because it's got twice as many levels. We know that double one is two. It's a double-decker bus. Well done. I've got 2 apples. How many apples would I have if I doubled my 2 apples? Remember, doubling, we need twice as much. So we've already got 2 and 2. We need twice as much. How many more would we need to double? And how many will we have altogether? Here they are. Here comes my twice as much. One group of 2 apples, another group of 2 apples. Twice as much altogether makes 4. I've got 4 coloured frogs. How many more do we need to add to double 4? I've got one group of 4, and remember, we need twice as much. How many are we going to need to add? That's right. We're going to need to add another group of 4. Twice as much. One group of 4. Another group of 4. 2 lots. Altogether, we've got, should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double 4 is 8. I've got 3 plastic bottle lids. I'm going to double it. Can you check that I've done it right? Remember, we want twice as many. Have I now got twice as many? I'm not sure, because I've got 1, 2, 3 in a row, but have I still got 3 here? 1, 2, 3. I have. Ah, well done, Mrs. Dove. You doubled 3. Twice as many altogether is 3, 4, 5, 6. Double 3 is 6. I've got 1 baby bell. I'm going to double it. Can you check and see if I do it right? Have I done it right? No, I haven't, have I? Why haven't I done it right? Because, that's right, we need twice as many. We had one baby bell. How many should I have added? What do you think I need to do? Take something away. That's right, I'm going to take one away. Now that looks like a double to me. I had one baby bell to start off with, so I need twice as many, so the same again, the same amount again is another baby bell. Altogether, I've got 2. And double 1 is 2. Thanks for helping me. Maybe you could have a go at making some doubles with things around your house. Send us some photos or pop them on tapestry if you do. I know you're getting pretty good at spotting doubles by now. So, in a set of dominoes, there are dominoes that have doubles on them. Now, I wonder how many doubles you can spot in my set of dominoes. Pause the video and see how many you can find. Here they are. Did you find them all? There's 00, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and 66. There's 7 dominoes that are doubles in a set. Now, shall we have a bit of fun playing and using our doubles knowledge to have a game of dominoes? Let's have a game of dominoes to practice spotting doubles and calculating doubles. Don't worry if you don't have your own set. You can always make your own from pieces of card and a black pencil and marking on the dots for the different combinations. Just don't forget to include your doubles like 00 and 44. There are lots more that you'll need though. Okay, I'm going to get my friend and set up ready to play. This is my friend Dudley and he's come to play dominoes with me today. So we've divided out the counters and Dudley's got his half of the set of dominoes and I've got my set here. So, okay Dudley, you can go first. Which one are you going to put down? Dudley's putting this one down. Ooh, it's a double. 5 and twice as many, the same again. He's put down 55. Should we challenge ourselves? What does that work out? That's right, it's 10. Right, it's my go. So I need to match with a 5. Okay, I'm looking carefully. Here it is. I'll put my counter down. So I've matched and made double 5 here. 5 and 5 more. Okay, it's Dudley's turn now. He's got to look for a 4 to make double 4 or a 5 to make double 5. Right, Dudley, which one are you going to do? Okay, here we are. Let's put this one down. He's matched and made double 5. Okay, it's my turn now. I've got to look for a 4 to make a double 4 or a 3 to make a double 3. Here we go. There it is. Gonna match it there. Double 4 makes 8. Dudley, it's your turn. You've got to look for a 2 or a 3. Okay, here we go. He's put that one there. Double 2 makes 4. That's my go again. Which one shall I put down? Ooh, I'm going to put this one down. Double 3, twice as many, makes 6. Dudley, it's your go. He's matched up the 1, double 1 is 2. Dudley, is looking very pleased with himself because he won. He managed to put all of his counters down and I've still got 2 left. What a brilliant doubles spotter you were, Dudley. And I hope you are too. Well, that's all for today. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.